UN highest court throws out Marshall Islands nuclear case against India. Others The court upholds the objection to jurisdiction raised by India and finds that it cannot proceed to the merits of the case, Judge Ronnie Abraham told the International Court of Justice in The Hague. Nuclear arms race, judges, with presiding Judge Ronnie Abraham of France, second right, re-enter the World Court in The Hague, Netherlands, Wednesday, October 5, 2016 to read the verdict in the case of the Marshall Island versus Pakistan. The Marshall Islands are taking India, Pakistan and the UK to court to urge those powers to resume negotiations to eradicate the world's nuclear stockpile. 3 separate rulings were handed down. App photo, Peter de Jong. The UN's highest court on Wednesday threw out a bid by the tiny Marshall Islands to sue India for failing to halt the nuclear arms race, saying it lacked jurisdiction. The court upholds the objection to jurisdiction raised by India and finds that it cannot proceed to the merits of the case, Judge Ronnie Abraham told the International Court of Justice in The Hague. With a population of less than 70,000 people, Marshall Islands had said in March that the world's 9 nuclear weapons states have violated various obligations to negotiate and good faith to dismantle their nuclear arsenals. In a landmark 1996 advisory opinion, the court said that using or threatening to use nuclear arms would generally be contrary to the laws of war and humanitarian law. Marshall Islands was a U.S. protectorate until 1986. It was the site of 67 nuclear tests by 1958, the health impacts of which linger to this day. Marshallese Minister Tony de Brum had said that several islands in the country were vaporized and others are estimated to remain uninhabitable for thousands of years. He described seeing the sky aflame from a test 200 miles away as a 9-year-old boy. Many died, suffered birth defects never before seen and battled cancer from the contamination, he added. The other nuclear powers, including declared powers China, France, Russia and the United States and undeclared nuclear states Israel and North Korea have not responded to the suit the islands filed last year. Lawyer for the Marshall Islands Van van den Biesen had opined earlier, "It is a shame that the other 6 nuclear-armed states have decided that for them there was no need to respond. Once the threshold to the use of nuclear weapons is crossed, the law will be a joke and justice will be just a relic of the past," Biesen had said.